Today I want to show you something that I just got that is badass. And it's actually funny because the things that we consider badass in our teens, in our 20s, in our 30s, is very different from what we consider badass in our 40s. I don't know about you guys, but I gave and still give a lot of abuse to my eyes over the years. So having a well-lit environment right now is, well, very, very important. I go as far as Frankensteining my own lamps, completely butchering the look and feel in my office in the hope of achieving the perfect lighting. Which is why, this channel is never going to do an office tour. So, BenQ sent me the aforementioned badass light bar, the BenQ ScreenBar Halo. And I'm not going to be boring you guys with the technical details, such as, well, the bar measures 50 centimeters, 9.47 centimeters long, and 9.71 centimeters, and it has a patented clamp mechanism that makes it compatible with both curved and flat screens. But you know what? Actually, I am going to talk about this last part because this clamp is rock solid on my Dell 31.5-inch curved screen, as well as my 28-inch Acer flat screen. Now, according to the instructions, you have to make sure that you assemble it perfectly flat without any kind of inclination. And as a matter of fact, this clamp right here was one of the reasons why I sent back a bunch of other brands. They would just be wobbly, or the light bar would look crooked, or whatever. Now, my favorite thing about this light bar is how it distributes the light evenly across my desk without any bleeds into the monitor. And honestly, I really don't know how they've done it because it doesn't bleed into the screen or into your eyes, which again was another one of those reasons that would drive me crazy and also made me send a bunch of other lamps back. I mean, sure, you can always try and browse the web looking like Stevie Wonder, and yes, that looks very cool, but in my opinion, it completely defeats the purpose. Oh, and by the way, I am no eye expert in any way, shape, or form. However, I noticed that just having a light shining forward is just not enough. Somehow I just end up over-focusing and I get headaches. Does that happen to you as well? Because for me, it does happen. Now, this bar comes with an additional backlight, which, to be fair, in my case, adds very little difference during the day, but it will make a massive difference if it's going to be your main source of light. You end up with basically 3 different lighting modes: the front, the back, and both. And this brings us to the next topic, which is actually controlling this beast. If all those things weren't awesome enough, the Halo comes with a wireless controller. This one right here. The controls are elusive to the old iPod, if you remember those. You basically just dial it left or right to control your light bar. All you gotta do is load the remote with the provided batteries. Just block out the cover and start with the battery in the middle. Then turn it around and you can start configuring your light bar. You can turn the light bar on or off by clicking the middle button, and this also brings the remote back from its standby state, which is awesome and preserves batteries. This button right here controls the temperature of the light, which ranges from, a fridge with the door open to a very nice and warm light that, if you're not careful, is going to put you to sleep. The next button controls the brightness, so from very dimmed to very bright. And again, I like to leave it halfway most of the times. The next button saves your current settings. Just press and hold for 2 seconds, and then if you mess with any other settings, you can quickly return to your recorded state. The next button controls the light mode, and it's kind of like cyclical. One click lights the front light, another click lights the back light, and if you click it again, it will bring both of the lights back together again. During the day, I sometimes like to have only the backlight on, because it's great and saves electricity. Next is one of the most overlooked features by so many people, but I love this setting. Clicking this button will activate the real-time auto-dimming feature. And that's it. It couldn't be any easier. Now, there isn't any integration with Home Assistant or any other app. Then again, I'm not really aware of any other light bar with such feature. Now, you also have the option to get the additional webcam mount for it, which is great. And BenQ provides their own separately. Now, let's talk about price. This ain't cheap, okay? And it's the big elephant in the room. It costs around 150 pounds in the UK or $179 in the US. And because of that price, I tried a heck of a lot of other clamp lights and light bars, trying to look for decent illumination in my room, and I could never find one. So eventually, I settled for the BenQ. And I know what you guys are thinking right now. You're saying, well, it's easy for you to say because, well, BenQ most likely sent you that bar for free. And yeah, they did, but they sent me $1. And you know what? I loved it so much that I have invested my very hard-earned cash on a second light for my other monitor. That's how much I believe in this product and how much I want to change my eye hygiene, as they call it. And finally, because these light bars also make a badass mood environment for making content. Check this out.